Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Justin from Blue Collar Survival, and today I'll be doing another head-to-head edge retention battle. Today we have the Gerber Air Ranger going against one of the Schrade 4-packs. So this one has the 7CR17 MOV, and this has 8CR13 MOV. But I want to see if maybe Gerber does a better job of hardening their blades. So I believe I will go ahead and we will start off with the Schrade. Alright guys. Cool. Alright. Let's get into this. Once again, I guess before I start, I've put the same edge on both of these. They have a 22.5 degree work sharp edge on them. So they both have the same edge. I sharpened them right beforehand. Let's see. I guess I could show the sharpness before I start. Alright. I don't think I'm going to put a mark on the knives this time. I was pretty consistent last time when I was doing it, and it just rubs off anyway. Alright, so like I said, we'll start off with a Schrade. Alright guys, so I believe I counted 70 strokes, which is absolutely astounding. I did not expect that, considering the other ones didn't even break 50. I don't know if the test consistency is the same, since I decided to do the wood board underneath with the harder material other than the rubber. Kind of makes me want to redo the other ones, but yeah, so I believe I counted 70 with the Schrade, so that's pretty good. And I mean, it held an edge for a while and it went through pretty good. Alright guys, let's get on with this Gerber now. I was quite impressed with the Schrade though. I was not expecting that. You guys will have to leave me a comment down below if you think I should redo the CRKT Ganzo using the wood. Because like I said, I think it gives a bit of an inconsistency with the test with the plastic like rubberized mat opposed to the wood, because you got that solid surface beneath it. But leave me a comment down below, see what you guys think, or if I should just keep going with some other ones and we'll call it what it is on that. Alright guys, get on with this one. Alright guys, well I completely lost count on that, but I'll tell you right now the Gerber has won. I was surprised. So I've been talking shit about Gerber, so I guess I eat my words a little bit because they're still held up. That held up pretty good. For a little bit there, it felt like it was getting sharper as I was going. I was like, please, can't keep going. And I will give one thing. The Schrade was much more comfortable for this test. This thing just doesn't offer you a whole, it's not meant for tasks like this. So, there you go, guys. Gerber's your winner. Alright, guys, this is Justin from Blue Collar Survival.